Hi everyone, this is Nitesh Kumar Pandey. In this video, we are going to make a program of binary search algorithm using recursion in Java. Okay, so I am going to open Visual Studio Code for writing code or execution also. You do practice with me so that your coding skill will be improved and you can learn in a better way. This is the way you can learn everything in one go. Okay, with writing with me. Okay, so I'm going to open Visual Studio Code. You can open the same or you can open online Java compiler for writing your code. Okay, so I'm going to open it now. Now I'm going to make a file first. What should be the name of binary search dot Java. Okay, so I'm going to write public class binary search. Okay, so I'm going to insert main method, that is PSVM means public static void main is the mean of PSVM. That is public static void main. Okay, I'm going to insert a scanner class for taking user input. So I need to write here import java dot util dot scanner. Okay, now I'm going to make object for the scanner class. Scanner is equals to new scanner system dot in system dot in to take the size of the, sorry, I need to write here enter size of the array. So I'm going to take size using n variable sc dot next int. I'm going to declare array dynamically. So I need to write here int array is equals to new int and okay. Now I'm going to take all element in sorted order because binary search apply only on sorted array. Okay, so I already asked to enter uh, user to enter sorted element. Okay, so I need to write here sort means system.out.println enter enter only enter n sorted element for the array. Okay, enter n sorted element for the array. Okay, now I'm going to take all element using for loop. So I need to write int I equals to 0 and I less than n and I plus plus. Now I'm going to take int, sorry, here of I is equals to sc dot next int. Okay, done. Now I'm going to take target where I need to search in the binary search. Okay, search in the array. So I need to write here enter target to search in the array in the array. Okay, So I am taking int target is equals to sc dot next int. Okay, this should be int target e should be there. Okay, white one extra space is here. Okay, now I am going to make function for binary search using recursion. Okay, so I am going to write here public static int binary search using recursion. Okay, now I am going to take a parameter or argument, you could say arr. Okay, and int low variable, int high variable high, and int target. Okay, so what is the base case of this algorithm? So base case is if low variable is going to greater than high variable, means you are not finding that target element in the array. So I'm this is the base case. Okay, so I need to write here if low is greater than high. Okay, then you need to return what? -1, -1. Okay, and if not, it is not, then you need to find mid of the array. So I need to write here int mid element of the array. So I need to write int mid is equals to, how I can find mid element? Low, this is the formula, low high minus low divided by 2. Okay, by which you can avoid the what? Stack overflow. Okay, so I am going to, it is the same like high plus low divided by 2. Okay, when you will simplify this, when you will simplify this formula, you will get same result like this formula. Okay, so okay, I'm going to take I'm going to write the condition or what? Recursive call. Okay, so I am going to write if arr of mid is equals to target element, then arr of mid is equals to target, then you need to return mid. Okay, you need to return mid, and else if arr of target is less than of arr of mid element, then you need to pass this function. Okay, this is the recursive call, control C, and here I need to return control V, and I need to remove this all int because I already declare this. Okay, so I don't do not need to repeat many times. Okay, if target element is less than the arr of mid, means high should move in the left side of the mid el mid element. Okay, so I need to modify high. Okay, what I need to write here? Mid minus 1. Okay, and here should be semicolon. Okay, and if not like this means your target is present in the right. Okay, so I need to again do recursive call, and I need to modify low. Okay, I need to modify low, so high will be the same and low will be mid plus 1, mid plus 1. Okay, okay, and this is the what recursive call. This is the recursive call or sub recursive call for the sub problem problem. Okay, and this is the base case of the recursion. Okay, so we need to take care of two things in solving recursion problem. What is the two things? First is the base case and second one is the recursive call for the sub problem. So this is the base case when ARR of this is the this is the base case. What control X, this is the base case, control V. Okay, when low is going to greater of high, low variable I am assigning the first. Okay, so I am going to assign result is equals to control V. No, I need to call this recursive function. Okay, in the main method control V, and I need to modify it. First I am passing low, so low should be starting of the starting element of the array. Okay, and high is the ending element, so I need to write here n minus 1 ending element of the array. Okay, now so base case is the if low means starting element is going to greater of the ending element means you're violating the loop. Okay, means you have not found the target element in the array, so our program will return minus 1 means not found. Okay, false. Okay, okay, so I'm going to write if condition. If result, sorry, if result is equals to minus 1. Okay, then you need to return what? You need to return target element, target not found, not found in the array. Okay, else target found in the array at index. Okay, what I need to pass? Result. Okay, Now I am going to close the scanner class, so I need to write sc dot close. Okay, done. Now I am going to run our code. I am removing this ln so that output statement will look clear. Target, okay, done. Control Z. Okay, now I am going to run it. Sorry, it is coming. Enter size of the array. I am entering 5. Enter 5 sorted element for the array. I am entering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have entered 5 element. Okay. Enter target to search in the array. I am entering 10. Target not found the array. Okay. So our code is working perfectly. Now I am going to enter another target. Okay. So enter size of the array. I am entering 10. Okay. Enter 10 sorted element. I am entering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 or 15. Okay. Enter target to search. I am entering 5. Target found in the array. It should be the array at index 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This is the index 4. Okay. So our code is working perfectly. Now I'm going to uh, modify here this step. Here should be the okay. So this is the code, and this is the base case. Okay, you need to take care of two things for while solving the recursive problem. First is the base case, and second one is the recursive call for the sub problem of. Okay, so what is the recursive call for the sub problem is if target is equal to the ARR of mid, means you need to return mid. Okay, and if not, means your target is present in the whether it's in left or right. So if target will present in the left, means you have to move your high variable in the left of the middle. So that's why I am writing here high mid minus 1. Okay, and if it is not in the left side, then means it will present in the right side. So that's why if it is present in the right side, means your low will be moved towards right side of the middle. Okay, element of the array. Okay, so that's why I modify low by mid plus 1. Okay, and this is the recursive call. Okay, recursive call also for the sub problem of the array. Okay, and here we are taking the size and element and the target element which we are going to search in the array. Okay, and this is the important things to be noted. This binary search algorithm only applicable on the sorted array. Okay, it is not applicable for the unsorted array. For the unsorted array, we need to search the element. We need to use uh, what linear search algorithm. Okay, I already make a video for that. You can check it out. Okay, Okay, now I'm going to close it. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to give me one any suggestion, then just comment it. I will for sure read that comment. Okay, and I will try to enhance our skills of the tutorial, making tutorial video for your better understanding, or your for the that. Okay, so now I'm going to close it. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day, and bye. And if you are doing the mistake, then just don't worry. This is the way you can learn or getting all the basic concept about that mistake in one go. Okay, and try to um, don't repeat in the next time. Okay, thank you, bye.